Did you know these inventions could save your life? Stay tuned to find out which ones and how. A top-of-the-line life-saving device, the innovative patented RECO technology consists of two essential elements: an active detector carried by the rescue team and a passive reflector carried by the user. Used by rescue professionals worldwide, this system provides an effective solution for locating people in emergency situations. The RECO detector emits a directional radar signal, similar to the beam of a flashlight. When the signal reaches the RECO deflector, it's reflected back to the detector, guiding the rescuer to the victim's location. The intensity of the returned signal increases as the detector approaches the reflector, allowing the rescuer to pinpoint the location of the person in danger with greater accuracy. This reliable and efficient system has become a standard in rescue operations, providing an essential tool for improving the efficiency and accuracy of search and rescue operations. I didn't see that coming, did you? Well, the next product will surprise you even more. Amazing safety inventions? This line-throwing gun plays a fundamental role in maritime operations by enabling the efficient deployment of pilot lines, both in rescue situations and in various interactions between vessels. Its versatility ranges from ship-to-ship connections to personal rescue operations at sea, establishing itself as an essential component to ensure safety in challenging maritime environments. This robust device consists of a sealed plastic container with an integrated handle and an effective firing mechanism. Its solid fuel rocket and 300-meter rope provide the necessary elements for precise deployment in a variety of circumstances. Activation of the system is simple, requiring only the removal of a safety pin, securing the device, and pulling the trigger. Importantly, the line-throwing gun is globally approved and complies with the latest SOLAS 7496 standards, confirming its position as an indispensable emergency device for maintaining safety on board and facilitating maritime operations with confidence and efficiency. It's impressive, but the next product might just save your life. The design of this school desk is an emergency survival invention that goes beyond the simple functionality of a desk. It is meticulously designed to serve as a safe shelter in critical moments such as earthquakes. The common practice of taking shelter under desks during seismic events is well known, but conventional desks are not designed for this specific purpose and can sometimes become dangerous traps if they collapse improperly. It's important to note that more than 300 million students worldwide are constantly at risk because their schools lack the necessary infrastructure to withstand the effects of an earthquake. Although students are instructed to take shelter under desks as a safety measure, traditional desks can become dangerous instead of providing protection. The school desk for emergency situations not only aims to provide a place of refuge, but also represents an innovative approach to ensuring the safety of students during seismic events, changing the traditional perception of school desks to a more protective and vital role in critical situations. A revolutionary invention that helps young people, but if we delve into safety, the next product will blow your mind. Need advanced safety inventions? For decades, the Mark III portable pump has been the preferred choice of many agencies fighting wildfires around the world. Its reputation is based on a proven track record, and today it's known for its exceptional performance, reliability, and ruggedness. Its ability to maintain high pressure, pump in tandem or in series, and withstand the challenges of firefighting have made it the core component of most wildland water distribution systems. Following a series of improvements implemented in 2015, the Mark III pump redefines durability and reliability. The enhanced version successfully passed the rigorous 100-hour endurance test conducted by the USDA Forest Service in San Dimas on April 15, 2008. Surprised, aren't you? I'm sure you are. But if you want to drop to the floor with a surprised look on your face, this next product is for you. Slide to Safety is an innovative rapid evacuation system that provides an effective alternative for evacuating multi-story buildings. The first priority of emergency services is to evacuate occupants from a building during a dangerous situation, whether it's a fire, a gas leak, or an active shooter. Traditional building emergency exits often fall short in these situations, as they can become congested or inaccessible during moments of chaos. The STS is designed to handle multiple contingencies. Power outages are common during emergencies, but STS does not rely on electricity, ensuring safe evacuation even in the event of a power outage. The slide is installed on windows from the second to fourth floor of a multi-story building, turning any window equipped with STS into a functional emergency exit. We told you don't skip on quality, and the next product is a masterpiece worthy of reaching the sky. Already an essential tool for saving lives, GeoBrug systems are easy to assemble, quick to install, and unobtrusive in profile. In addition to their load capacity of 60 to 180 Canon M2, flexible debris flow barriers ensure uninterrupted water flow and can be installed on several successful levels. Constructed of high tensile steel wire and a mesh ring, these innovative flexible barriers provide effective and innovative protection for people and infrastructure. Solids such as debris and floating wood are reliably retained. The drainage effect of the mesh significantly increases the retention capacity of this protection solution. 3 types of barriers are used, depending on the channel characteristics. VX barriers are installed in narrow closed streams and cross the channel without posts, reducing material and installation costs. The larger HX barrier also operates without posts and is suitable for channels up to 30 meters. Finally, UX barriers with posts offer high load capacity, making them ideal for wider channels. Total quality, just like the next product, could make even the most bitter person smile and be fascinated. SafeBack SBX, an innovative active air supply system, is another revolutionary life-saving device. It represents a critical milestone in safety for people trapped under snow by avalanches or tree falls. Instead of relying on a mouthpiece, this groundbreaking technology allows victims to breathe continuously and without interruption, significantly extending the potential survival window to over 90 minutes. The key to this system is its ability to maintain air quality in the breathing zone as close to normal as possible while awaiting rescue. Though porous crystalline structures in the snow layer, the SafeBack SBX continuously supplies fresh air to the breathing zone, providing an effective and safe solution to delay asphyxiation during an avalanche or tree burial. This technology not only enhances the safety of those in snow emergencies, but also provides an active and effective solution compared to traditional methods that require a mouthpiece. The SafeBack SBX redefines the way we address and mitigate the risks associated with snow, providing greater peace of mind to those who venture into avalanche-prone environments. A complete masterpiece, just like the next product. The Escape Rescue System, an incredible safety invention, stands out as a mass evacuation system that allows dozens of people to exit quickly in each cycle. While there are various solutions for descending from an elevated floor in the event of a fire or other emergency, most of these options are designed for able-bodied individuals and do not address the evacuation of the elderly or those with limited mobility. Importantly, the Escape Rescue System is the only solution available today that addresses the challenge of vertical access. It provides a response that transports rescue personnel upward and upper floors while evacuating people of all ages and physical abilities from any floor. This system can be operated by building occupants without waiting for firefighters or specialized responders. The system is ready for evacuation in as little as 2 to 4 minutes. In addition, the Escape Rescue System is the only one that protects evacuees inside the cabins, even while passing through flames and smoke, and can perform all these functions in a building without electrical power. I told you it was a masterpiece, just as this next product is so good, it might even make you cry tears of joy. When every second counts, Floodworks barriers are quick to install and can be operational within minutes, a gadget that could save your life. Simply use a standard garden hose to fill the barriers with water. After use, Floodworks barriers can be easily drained and stored compactly, saving valuable space in your home or storage area. This ensures that they're ready for future events. Unlike traditional flood protection methods that may use sand, gels, or chemicals, Floodworks barriers rely solely on water. This means no complicated cleanup and a more environmentally friendly approach to flood protection. Overwhelming would be the exact opposite, because it's downright revolutionary, just like the next product. The revolutionary Instant Relief is proving to be a clever solution to prevent potential Titanic-like incidents. This innovative lifeboat features a waffle-like interwoven design that mimics the arrangement of multiple safety tubes, allowing multiple people to stay afloat and together in the event of a shipwreck. The waffle structure not only optimizes the buoyancy of the lifeboat, but also facilitates the connection and grouping of multiple units to form a secure platform on the water. This feature is critical to ensuring the survival and coordinated rescue of a larger group of people in emergency situations at sea. The versatility of Instant Relief lies in its ability to provide an effective and efficient solution that enhances safety and collective survival during unexpected marine events. Its crisscross design is not only visually distinctive, but also a practical innovation that could make a difference in water hazard situations. Not enough? Then I'm sure this product will blow you away. Tube barrier, the innovative solution for flood prevention management, introduces anti-flood barriers that are expandable and reusable. In a context where climate change is intensifying extreme weather events such as floods and natural disasters, a tube barrier is an effective and adaptable response to river flooding. The increase in heat waves and flooding, especially in certain coastal regions, underscores the need for effective protection. Sudden river surges can cause significant damage to property and communities and pose a challenge. Tube barriers inspired by the water management expertise of the Netherlands, a country known for its effectiveness in flood control. These flood barriers are designed to be expandable and reusable, providing a robust and adaptable defense against the onslaught of water. The flexibility and versatility of tube barrier allow for strategic deployment to protect homes and property during times of river flooding. These products can undoubtedly save your life.